Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna share with you gold analysis from a technical perspective and from a fundamental perspective as well. Before going on through the technical perspective, we are going to look at the fundamental part. For all of you that don't know, we have the Nonfarm Payrolls data today. This is the America's jobs report, monthly jobs report. It is one of the most important reports of the month. During the previous month, this data came out 187k, and this month it is expected that probably we may see a slowdown to 170k. It is likely that the price may come down even lower from 170k, considering that during this week we had also the ADP data, the data from the private sector, and we can see that this indicator came half from the previous data. So it was 180k, and we can see that this indicator came out 89k, or let's say 90k, doesn't matter. So this is increasing the odds that the price, that non-farm payroll data, may come lower than expected this time, and we have to be very careful. If this is going to happen, we may see all related currency pairs and all related financial instruments with the USD. We may see that they move against the US dollar. And on the opposite side, if this number is going to come higher than the previous month and higher than the expectations as well, it is likely that we may see all the financial instruments related with the US dollar to move in the favor of the US dollar. Also, this month is speculated about the Fed interest rate hike that will be on November. We have to be very careful. However, I think that the Fed already stopped hiking the interest rates, so this indicator should not weigh too much this time. However, the market is still speculating, and everything can happen during this moment. So let's see what is happening with gold. I'm going to break this down from a monthly time frame, step by step. The top was reached during May 23, and the price is moving down for the 6th consecutive month, and already is testing a monthly low zone. So here we are on a monthly chart. If we are going to decrease the time frame, now we are going to look at on a weekly time frame, we may see that the price moved down or depreciated during the last 3 weeks by approximately 7%. So it's a big movement from top to bottom during the last 2 weeks. So the bearish momentum is still very strong. However, it doesn't matter that it moved down for 2 weeks. What matters is that on the weekly chart the price is also testing a very strong support area. So look at what the price created on the left side of the structure. When it moved up, we saw that it came down for 4 weeks here, and later another bullish wave. So this area is showing that we have the buyers that are well positioned, and we have to be very careful, because the same buyers that push the price up in this zone, the same buyers can push the price up again. So we have the buyers' interest close to 1,800. Also, 1,800 for gold is a strong psychological price, and this is another reason that we may see gold growing. On a daily perspective, we may see that the price is already on a bearish trend from the top. So we are only on a bearish trend since at the beginning of May. Price is moving down, it can be seen very clearly. And during this month we had also this type of pattern. So it is likely that the price probably created any type of ABC pattern, and the structure zone is already holding here, so we may see a possible bullish move. However, this will be also related with the news that we have during this moment. That is why we have to be careful. On the current conditions, we have two possible scenarios where we need to focus. I'm going to break this down in this way. All the market is focused on the Nonfarm payroll data today. If they are going to come out as expected or below the expectations, it is likely that the price may increase further. During the last 4 days, the price was moving in a narrow zone between 1812 1830. However, a bullish movement can be very aggressive during the non-farm payroll data if they are going to miss the expectations, and we may see this type of movement happening from this accumulation. So the price is still accumulating in this area before the next movement. The bullish target that I'm looking at during this moment is going to be close to 1860 for the bullish movement, and the maximum movement can be close to the previous structure high. So this is very important in my opinion, because once the price will test 1800, the odds are high that we may see the next movement happening from this area. So the next movement should be down after that. Overall, on the bigger picture, I'm only bearish for gold. I'm not expecting that the price should test the top where it was on May 2023. So I'm not expecting that. The downside for gold looks inevitable this time, and that is why we have to be careful. We are only on short-term trading scenarios so far. So this is the first one, what may happen after the non-farm payroll data, if they are going to come out lower than expected or as expected, and the next movement should be down from 1900 approximately. And if they are going to come out better than expected or above than the previous month, what may happen is that we may see gold breaking through the weekly zone, and it may continue down further. In this scenario, if price is going to break through 1800, the first and the strongest resistance zone that we have to pay close attention to again is on the left side of the structure, and this is close to 1740 approximately. So this is the next area where the price may take a pause again. So this is what I'm looking at for gold, but considering also the previous move, so the price decline that was approximately 7% and was too much in my opinion, I think that we may see the price taking a pause this time for any possible correction before it moves down again. So this is the analysis for gold. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.